Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see our project title is Accuracy Constrained Privacy Preserving Access Control Mechanism for Relational Data. Our model is designed to be a strict generalization of the current SQL authorization mechanism. The access control policies define selection predicates available to roles while the privacy requirements is to satisfy the K anonymity or L diversity. We propose heuristics for anonymization algorithms and show empirically that the proposed approach satisfied. The concept of privacy preservation for sensitive data can require the enforcement of privacy policies or the protection against identity disclosure by satisfying some privacy requirements. However, to the best of our knowledge, the problem of satisfying the accuracy constraints for multiple roles has not been studied before. We propose for anonymization algorithms and show empirically that the proposed approach satisfies imprecision bounds for more parameters. Access control mechanisms protect sensitive information from unauthorized users. Let us see our project data flow diagram is. We can see our original data set. So first of all, we had taken into original data set. Although spectral clustering works well on single view data, it is not well suited for the clustering of multi-view data. So to transfer in data analyzing process, data should be analyzing, problem formulation and access control framework are presented. Next process is discriminative decision rules. The discriminative decision rules we have taken into three attributes: country, age and disease level. To transferring anti-discrimination clustering of process in age-wise to clustering of process in grouping data. Transform data set we stored in grouping of data stored in databases. The retrieve all information in data analyzing process to transfer non-discriminative decision rule. The non-discriminative decision rules to transfer in association rule hiding. It is usually in association rule hiding process. The data it should be hiding of processing using association rule mining. However, comes with the drawback that the clustering quality tend to degrade if the data distribution. Association rule hiding process in zip code providing decision present security purpose of using association rule mining. Separate on two process in data distortion and blocking technique. The data distortion, the proposed algorithm to kernel k-means and one standard density based method to hiding the information of data in disease persons, to split in disease persons and non-disease persons, to transfer in another process in data distribution. The data distribution of clustering process modifying sensitive rules in diversity algorithm. It is used in L diversity algorithm in sensitive which patients to occur in disease and not disease patients easily to getting information of k-means algorithm. So to modifying sensitive rules. So finally a compaction procedure has been proposed in where the created partitioning or replaced by minimum bounding boxes to getting the information of the which patient in occurring disease and another patient not disease in splitting the data in clustering of process. The grouping of data is separated in two methods. We can start the process. To click on the browse button, we have selected in personal details dataset. So I have to select in personal details datasets. To click on the extract data button to extract data into the database. So to progressing of extracting data to load in the database. So process completed successfully. To click on the list button, the sensitive data is displayed here. To list on view on data username and sensitive data only displayed here. We can see our extraction details, file name, listener details and file size 636 KB and number of users 2457 data into the datasets. To click on the user profile button, we can see our datasets values displayed here. So name, age, male, gender, marriage status and education and job. So overall datasets values in displayed here in user profile group box. So to click on the next button, so to click on the load dataset button, so load datasets to load into the datasets in group box. The process completed successfully. To click on the anonymous to salary button, we have taken in three attributes. First attribute value in salary in anonymous data. To anonymous data in clustering of process depend upon our salary process in anonymizing the data. So to click on the next button. So to click on the clustering of minimum button, so we can see our datasets values first attributes the listing of process in age wise and salary wise. The clustering of minimum button to clustering of process in minimum age wise and cluster into the data table. So we can see our process. So the minimum salary of 50k to clustering of process shown here. To click on the clustering of maximum button, so maximum salary of 50k, so 50k salary, which persons we getting our salary, so displayed in here in clustering of process in maximum process. The clustering of maximum getting information of maximum 50k salary, whichever persons we getting that salary was clustering of process in grouping of data. So to click on the next button, so to click on the anonymous data in minimum salary button, so the minimum salary persons clustering in process grouping of data displayed here. So to click on the anonymous data in maximum salary button, so clustering of process separated in maximum salary persons getting, so that persons only clustering of process in maximum salary anonymous data. So that age wise persons how much of salary getting wherever we have working process grouping of data into the clusters. We have taken in another attribute in country wise. To click on the country wise minimum data anonymous button, so to load on the data clustering of process, so process completed successfully. So another attribute in country wise, so clustering of process shown here. So to click on the country maximum data anonymous button, so process completed successfully. We are taking another attribute process country to clustering of combined salary and country to classifying separate data table. Two attributes combined into the data tables to store in data table. To click on the next button, so we can see our before apply k-means algorithm and after apply k-means algorithm. So we can see our algorithm should apply in this frame. How much of attribute taken and threshold value, how much of data analyzing and accuracy process in the before apply k-means value and displayed here. To click on the record length button. So total attributes 26 attributes for each. The threshold value less than 0.45. To click on the compute age button, the compute age button clustering of process in age contains wise. So to clustering of process in 53 frequencies, support value 1 0.0188 and support value 2 0.004 and confidence value 46.33. To click on the compute in country wise button, so country wise contains in support value 3 frequencies clustering of process, support value 1 0.33 and support value 2 0.0004, confidence value 818.66. To click on the compute disease button, so disease contains 397 frequencies persons clustering of process in before k-means algorithm, support value 1 0.02 support value 2 0.004 and confidence value 6.186. only in clustering of process in before k-means algorithm applied here. Before k-means algorithm, the data values in displayed in age contains and country contains and disease contains values in displayed here. On the after apply k-means algorithm, the accuracy policies in clustering of process displayed here. To click on the record length button, the total attribute 26 attribute per age and threshold value less than 0.45 value. To click on the compute age button, the age contains the after apply k-means algorithm 2 frequencies should be displayed here. The before apply k-means algorithm frequencies in losses of process only, and after apply k-means algorithm the multiple data and rows and multiple rows and columns to classify. So avoiding the k-means algorithm to avoiding the losses of values, the two frequencies to contains the age contains support value 1 and support value 2 0.004 and confidence value 3456. But before apply k-means algorithm 53 frequencies, so must properly correct values displayed. To click on the compute country button, country contains the two frequencies support value 1 and support value 2 0.004 and confidence value 0.2456. And to click on the compute disease button, so disease contains two frequencies only displayed here, the support value 1 and support value 2. The after apply k-means algorithm, the less amount of accuracy values displayed here, accuracy value must properly displayed here. To click on the next button, so cluster data button, to click after filtering data the data that persons, so clustering of data process, I have one select any candidate name that person data is displayed here. Yes, affecting disease or not. So to click on the view status buttons that persons affecting disease, the decision, the overall filtered data displayed here. So the how much of patients affecting diseasing the processing after filtered data. So to click on the next button, so click on the minimum disease button. To click on the maximum disease button, the minimum disease affected the patients only display in group box 1, and maximum affecting disease, so the maximum affecting disease patients display in group box 2 in separate into the two table. Click on the that patients in view status, that patients only affecting disease process but are in maximum disease process, that two patients affecting disease one cell only, the two patients affecting disease process. So click on the next button, overall graph, the accuracy button and values button. The accuracy observed that most of the queries in 10% group have been satisfied, reduces the total impression but the gains in terms of having more queries satisfying bounds. Thank you.